I'm back. Today I'm trying out Zara Larson makeup. I've been loving her makeup, so I thought I'd try it myself. There's no school today because it's a snow day, which I'm grateful for. My birthday is in 4 days. I literally forgot my birthday was in 4 days. Like, I'm turning 18, which is like very kind of scary a little, but anyways, let's get into it. Okay, first I'm gonna add some foundation. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. one today. Now I'm just gonna powder my face a little. And now I'm gonna add some concealer. Okay, my face is filled with concealer. Now we're gonna blend. Okay, next we're gonna add some bronzer. Okay, next we're gonna add some blush. She wears a lot of blush. And next we're gonna add some powder. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit a little. I look crazy. Next I'm gonna use some of this palette. I haven't used this palette in so long. We're gonna use a mix of these two pinks. So let's get into it. Hey guys, this is the eyeshadow. I haven't worn pink eyeshadow in so long. I'm gonna do the eyeliner off camera. Alright, now I'm gonna add some mascara. Alright, now I'm just gonna blend all of this. I'm just gonna add some highlight in my inner corner. And next I'm just gonna add some glitter. Lip liner. A lip gloss. Next I'm gonna add some more concealer. Setting spray. Hey guys, here's the look. Let me get closer. I added some glitter, as you can tell. I try my best with this look. It doesn't look exactly like hers, but I try my best. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and keep up for more.